Hi everyone! If you're new to this channel, I'm Lorena Castro and welcome back to everyone else. I'm so excited to show you this cool blowout that I just did for you guys to learn all the professional tips that I can show you. And yeah, I'm excited as well because this is a new color that I did myself over lockdown. And yeah, I'm just super happy with the color and how it came out. Really happy. As well, I cut my fringe a little bit just to give a little bit that bounce. Sometimes I think when it's too long, the fringe, you cannot have this kind of bounciness. So yeah, just freshen up. Also remember, if you want to keep watching cool videos and a lot of tips, just subscribe the channel and like the video. So yeah, let's start the blow dry. I just finished washing my hair. Before I use a little bit of Olaplex number 3 and obviously I rinse it off. And I'm gonna apply now Olaplex number 6 and a little bit of bonding oil of Olaplex 2. With a little bit of Olaplex number 6. And the bonding oil is number 7. And I hair now is number 8, which is a mask. I'm looking forward to use it. So let's put it everywhere. I'm so excited to show you the color of my hair. I just went a little bit lighter. Quite excited. Okay, welcome to the session and start. As you can see, I'm just rough drying my hair just like this to make it easier to start my blow dry. We will start from the root area to the middle ends, making sure it's completely straight and smooth. And then after, we will do the ends and we will roll the ends to the brush, giving some heat and some cool air, and then we will repeat this 2 to 3 times. Doing this for the whole head until the top, and yeah, just make sure that the roots and the middle ends are not frizzy at all and completely smooth, and don't forget the ends to be nice and bouncy.
comes my favorite part, the fringe. Yeah, the fringe is the most important part of the blow dry. It's just right there in front of your face, boom, above your face. So yeah, just watch how I do it and just do exactly the same to have the same results. Just to finalize the blow dry, I am putting some cool air all around the length to last as long as possible.
Thank you guys, thank you for watching.